In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove scroll animations on your Wix website. We will start inside your Wix dashboard. From there, select the website you want to work on, and then click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, you will be able to make changes directly on your page and see how everything is laid out. If you want to add a scroll animation, begin by clicking the specific element you want to animate. This could be a text box, an image, or even a section of the page. When you select it, a floating menu will appear nearby. On that menu, click the animation icon, which usually looks like a star or a magic wand. This is where Wix gives you visual effects you can apply to the selected item. Next, look for the Scroll tab or Scroll Animation section. Here, you can choose the type of effect you want to use. Depending on the element, you may see options like fade, move, spin, or expand. Each one creates a different motion as visitors scroll through the page. So choose the effect that best matches the style of your site. For example, fade can look clean and subtle, while move or spin can feel more dynamic and attention-grabbing. After choosing an effect, click Customize to fine-tune how the animation behaves. This is where you can adjust settings such as the power, speed, and direction of the movement. You can also set the animation area, which controls the point on the screen where the effect starts to trigger. This part is important because it helps you make the animation feel smooth and intentional, rather than distracting. Once your settings are in place, preview the animation before publishing anything. You can use the scroll to preview toggle if it's available, or switch into preview mode to test how the animation looks on the live page. Always take a moment to scroll through naturally, just like a visitor would, so you can make sure the effect feels polished and fits the rest of your design. If you decide you want to remove a scroll animation, the process is very simple. Click the animated element or section on your canvas. Then click the animation icon again. In the animation options, select None to turn the effect off completely. This will remove the scroll animation and return the element to a normal, static appearance. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.